The 15th Legislative Assembly election was held on 16 May 2016 for the 232 seats of the Legislative Assembly in the state of Tamil Nadu in India. AIADMK under Jayalalithaa won the elections and became the first ruling party to be re-elected in Tamil Nadu since 1984, though with a reduced majority. DMK won half of the seats it contested, but its allies performed poorly. Notably, the Indian National Congress won 16% of the seats they contested, and the alliance lost due to its poor performance. The votes were counted on 19 May 2016. In the previous election in 2011, AIADMK, under the leadership of Jayalalithaa, won a simple majority and formed the government, while DMDK chief Vijayakanth served as the leader of opposition until January 2016. This was the last election that Jayalalithaa and M Karunanidhi contested, as they both died in 2016 and 2018 respectively. By the requirement, state assembly election must be held at an interval of 5 years or whenever it is dissolved by the president. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.